What do snowmen say to one another? Have an ice day! Stick around to learn how to draw a snowman. Get your paper, pencil, markers, and coloring pencils ready. Once you're ready, draw 3 circles. A circle for the head, a larger one underneath for the body, and an even larger circle under that. Next, draw the arms. Then, add the eyes, nose, and mouth. Now draw the hat. We're almost done. Next, draw the scarf. Then, erase the extra lines. Last but not least, color your snowman. Here is an idea of colors you can use. And we're done! Great job! For more drawing activities, head to twinkl.com. Have an ice day!